G'day, welcome to another video from Dr. Lock. Okay, just get comfy here. Okay, so here we have a door, fire door, and it looks okay, it looks locked and all the rest, but the problem is, even though it's got one of these 6000 commercial grade with the blocker plate, the problem is, if you pull down it does this, if you pull up it actually unlocks. So this is a Vinco lock, so it actually should be locked. It shouldn't have the button here, it should be locked at all time. But you can see it's actually broken. That's actually allowing it to work. So we're going to swap it out once again with 3062. Yeah, it looks like they've actually done this as a 60mm back set, but we'll see. Alright, let's keep the cylinder. Let's get going. Okay, a little trick to getting these knobs off here. That's to use one of these tools. Just push that in. Here it comes. Little trick. Look at all the mould on the door. I'm gonna have to wash my hands after this one. Yeah, you can smell the mould coming through. Bits of a vending machine in there, a couple of tiles. Probably used as a urinal for some time. Oh, very good. Okay, a couple more screws, top and bottom. Okay, knob is out. So the footprint is the same, and the only difference is these top and bottom holes. We don't have the 6000 one today, so hopefully we'll be able to, and it's a 60mm back set. So the latch is fire rated, the latch still works. I can actually just use that, so I might just do that. It is only a fire door. It's this part here that's broken anyway, so put our screws back in. It's just basically a quick swap over. The knob set here. Now if we can still see those holes, there is a possibility we might need to use a scar plate on this. Let's see how we go. Okay, so there are our two lock body screws. Here's our knob remover tool. Okay, here's our knob. Checking door thickness. Now we also got the spinner on there too, so we want to give that a bit of room. This should be fine. And did we get lucky? Okay, slide hole there, slide hole there. But because we want to use a spinner, that will be passable. On this job anyway, it'll be passable. Normally I'd be using a stainless steel scar plate, but I don't think it's necessary. So this will prevent people from being able to jump on the lock and force it open. It also complies with the fire regulations, so that'll be fine. Okay, so that's the lock so far. Okay, that's locked. Unlocked. Now we have to do the tricky thing and turn the key, push in the knob removal tool, pull, and pull a bit harder. Okay, so we want to keep this key. And we want to use a spinner. Okay, so we want this cylinder out. There it goes. Now it's kind of forced itself on a funny angle, which is not good. Normally I wouldn't use a key for as a thing, but come on, there we go. Now I don't have the key for this door, but that's okay. I've got something else. Okay, so we need this off now.
Hello, mate.
G'day. Just found out we don't need to change the key. Just pop this one back on here. Okay, cylinder in. Okay, I think we got it. Push. Nope, didn't get it. So basically I can't take the key out because the spinner is not allowing it. Look at the mould. So what we do is we just turn that a few turns, push it on a bit harder, click click. Now the key's at the right position. Give this another tighten. The retainer dropped in to hold the knob on. So before basically I couldn't get my key back to the 12 o'clock position. Okay, so there we have it. Failed the Inco lever till 3062 with a spinner, and that should be a little bit stronger and they can't jump on it, and it's ready to go. Anyway, these locks are on our website down in the link for the description. Thanks for watching.